Hey y'all, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on these little Senegalese twists, as I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video. So if you guys have been to my channel before, then you know that I am natural, and I normally do a lot of wigs and a lot of crochet braids, but honestly, like, those kind of give me headaches sometimes, just like the heaviness of the crochet braid hair and sometimes the tightness of the wig, because y'all know I have a big head if you've been to my channel before. So I wanted to do something a little different. I used to wear Senegalese twists quite a bit during my transitioning stages, but they were always so heavy, and so I really wanted to try doing them again, but making them a lot lighter. So I really want y'all to pause the video like right now and comment down below how many packs of hair you think I used. And let me show you guys the side, the back, and the other side. I just want y'all, just take a guess, just pause, take a guess, and see if you're right. So, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so half a pack of hair, half a pack. 1/2 of 1 pack is what I used. So I used Xpressions hair. I don't have the little card in here anymore, but y'all know what Xpressions hair looks like in a 1B. You guys know, if you've used this hair before, that it's super duper long. I want to say it's like 84 inches. So I cut it in half, and then I used 1/2 of that for this whole thing. You guys know, I keep saying you guys know, but like if you've been to my channel before, you already know this, that my hair is bra strap length. So pretty much the curled portion of the twist is not mine, and everything else that's twisted is. Okay, so I used maybe like, okay, you see this little part of your finger where the line is? You see this is half? I used like 1/4 of that. That's how much hair I used per twist. And I did this on old stretch hair. So I was wearing a wash and go. I wore wash and go for like a week, and then I wore wash and go for like a few days. I put it in a puff, and then I did these. So what I did was I divided my hair into sections, sprayed it with some warm water, and then applied double buttercream. I have not mentioned this product in a really long time, but the As I Am double buttercream is bomb.com. Okay, it is a mix of cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, and sugar beetroot. And it's a really amazing moisturizer. It smells really good. It's very thick. You guys can see me holding it over. It doesn't come out. It's super duper thick. And this little jar is about $16, I want to say. On the pricier side, but like I said, it's very thick. I have extremely thick hair, and this lasts me a super duper long time. Okay, so awesome product. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend checking it out if you're looking for a good moisturizer. So sprayed water, applied that, started twisting. That's it. I mean, my hair already had leave-in conditioner, and it already had gel. So the spraying of the water just kind of reactivated some of the leave-in conditioner, and then I used this double buttercream as an added moisturizer. You could add some oil on top of that if you wanted. I didn't really worry about it. I just went ahead and started twisting. This style took me, including detangling my hair, about 3 hours. So very quick, very easy. I used, I didn't bring the perm rod with me to show you guys, but I used the red perm rods, which is like a skinnier one. If you go to your beauty supply store, find the red ones, or like the white perm rods. Those are pretty much the same size. So I took a few, as many as could fit, maybe about like 4. Probably you can see this is frizzy. I need to retwist this part, because what happened is I rolled the perm rod too high and ended up dipping this part in the water, and this is my hair, so that's why it's frizzy, but we're gonna just ignore that. So yeah, so I put about 4 twists on a rod, dipped them in the boiling water, and then of course, squeeze them with the towel so they're not dripping wet, undid the rod, and that's a wrap. You guys see these little gold, I don't even know what you want to call these, little gold clamp things from the beauty supply store. I think they're so cute. So I just threw in a few of those that I had lying around, and that is it. You guys can see the hair is bra strap length, basically. When it's curled, it's bra strap length, which I made it a little longer than bra strap length since my natural hair is bra strap length. So I could have some hair to kind of roll it up on the rod so that I could have a little curl at the end. So yeah, this is super light, I'm sure you can imagine, because I only used half a pack of hair. So really light, really easy, really quick. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have about 6 rows in the back, and then I have, if you part your hair in the middle, I have 4 rows on each side. So yeah, and these both have 4, and then these both, like these two both have 2 in it, because I know some people are kind of curious like how I part my hair, so how many like boxes I have. So that's about like how many I have. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to tell you guys. I mentioned the hair, how I moisturized it, the perma that I use, the type of hair. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I just wanted to throw in like a quick style, something a little different. I've been wearing my natural hair out for quite a bit of time because it was straight. I flat ironed it and it was straight all over winter break, so that was like 5 weeks. It's like February now, so I've been wearing my hair out for quite a few months, and I wanted to go ahead and put it away in some kind of like protective style that wasn't a wig, even though I will be having some wig reviews coming up very soon. So yeah, I think that is everything. Oh, and thank you guys so much. I finally hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm so excited, and most likely I will have a giveaway coming very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep on the lookout for that. If you guys have any questions, like always, leave them down below. You know, I always respond back to y'all. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have any questions on anything at night, by the way, I just sleep with it normally in a bun, or like I just flip my head over, tie my scarf, put my bonnet on, and that's a wrap. So yeah, that is everything. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.